Increase profit and quantity from support or resistance. Book profit and loss by keeping double and half call and put at least 50 points in the money. Cover loss from profit. 1 table of contents. 2 timetable. 3 process to learn and start working in the stock market. 4 take complete information of law, rule, notification, etc. by study and experience. 5 follow the most important information given by all YouTubers and experts which we were not following. 6 never start trading if you have not completed the following work. 7 trade starts on Friday at 10 a.m. and ends on Thursday at 3:10 p.m. 8 information needs to be checked before starting trading. 9 the first thing to do is identify the market trend as per the data and information. 10 market range is decided mainly by option data. 11 our main plan and hero zero plan to become experts. 12 price and quantity table for the hero zero plan. 13 decide start strike price and the price and quantity table to keep call or put. 14 always the best strike price to enter the trade is 50 points in the money and hero zero plan. 15 simple process to start buy and keep only one lot in loss, increase quantity in profit only. 16 stop loss rules to decide and modify hour, day, week, month stop loss and target support or resistance points. 17 maximum 2000 losses are stop losses and 10,000 profits are the first targets. 18 in case of profit the minimum stop loss is given. 19 if quantity increased call side, put side or both side without profit and without plan, then reduce the quantity to one lot. 20 suggestion given after 1,91,000 loss and all put table to follow. 21 improvement suggested after 2,50,000 loss. 22 5 main points given by 5 rainbow team members. Timetable, serial number start and work. 1 6 wake up. 2 6 to 6:50 housework and make breakfast. 3 6:50 to 7:30 get ready for school. 4 7:30 to 2:15 school time share market. 5 2 to 50 2:15 to 2:25 change. 6 2:25 to 2:50 lunch. 7 2:50 to 3:30 share market. 8 3:30 to 4 full day share market discussion. 9 4 to 5 study school homework. 10 5 to 5:30 yoga. 11 5:30 to 6:15 park physical activity. 12 6:15 to 7:20 video topic discussion analysis. 13 7:20 to 8 housework dinner making. 14 8 to 8:30 dinner. 15 8:30 to 9 hobby study extra activity. 16 9 to 9:50 TV. 17 9:50 to 6 sleep. Rainbow trend and momentums timetable of global markets. And 9 trading starts towards day trend. 9:15 market gives bounce back. And 9:25 square of position of out of the money and against the trend. Market moves towards day trend. 9:35 market gives bounce back. 10 market moves towards day trend. 12:30 global market opens, candle indicate in that direction. 1:30 market moves towards day trend. 3 trader square of position and market moves against day trend and towards global market direction. 3:20 close and build position and hedge as per trend and global market direction. Change out of the money into in the money at cheap price. Three process to learn and start working in the stock market. Stock market in general and option trading in execution at present as a family business. Knowledge needed, skills required, information needed on the trading day. Infrastructure, capital, supervised and under observation trade minimum period. Minimum experience needed to trade independently. Plan your days up, down and range trade strategies. Presume every aspect of market and operators FII DI move in advance. How to start? Before starting your trade we must be aware about stop loss and target. How to take profit? Presume and discuss in advance that how you will book profit or loss. How to take a loss? Always presume in advance about every aspect of market. How to close a trade. Before starting your trade, you must be aware about a trade movement in advance. Analyze your day's mistakes and accuracies, your new learning and experience today. Kernels goodly use as or become seeds beach. When we sow kernels, seeds become trees. We need to grow our plan and strategy as seeds grow and become a big tree. Seeds equal to starting point equal to raise 1 per lot equal to raise 20,000 capital equal to buy in the money call or put at rest 1 after some time with a difference of 1 strike price by call or put on other side. So the following two steps are our seeds, and the required minimum capital is rest 10,000 at strike price at rest 1. So the below given plans are the starting point to think about and make different plans and strategy as per different market environments and movements. Best plan: 1, scalp with in the money call and put with unlimited quantity as per plan and unlimited profit. Start with 1 lot and increase the quantity in profit only. We lost our all money because we were buying both call and put at same strike price, and out of the money both call and put of no premium can be buy. Weakness in this plan is if the market gives big momentum either up or downside, then our quantity and loss may increase on loss side. The solution is buy call and put with no premium. Defense mechanism is continuously increase and decrease call or put at profit side or loss side. To protect yourself from premium decay, and always try to decrease your average price by continuously buying and selling. If your loss is continuously increasing, then try to minimize your quantity and loss, but never make your quantity maximum as per your limit in loss. Best plan to buy call and put with no premium and sell call and put with maximum premium. To follow only selling flow. The flow in only selling is that it will maximize your loss. If the market keeps growing, as it will also increase the quantity on the loss side. However, if the market keeps growing in the direction of profit side, you will only be able to make a little profit there. And seeds equal to first buy minimum price in the money put or call, then second after some time buy the cheapest in the money call or put. Try to increase the quantity in profit only. Always try to buy cheapest call or put in the money or near to in the money at the cheapest price. It might be less than 1 rupee also, so buy as much cheaper in the money we can buy that much. It's good for our plan and strategy. So if our profit increases from one side, then we have opportunity to buy cheapest on the opposite side. So take the advantage of this golden opportunity and buy the cheapest price in the money. If the market continues moving to one side, your profit will increase on the same side. But if the market gives reversal, then you get profit from another side. Keep it in mind that premium decay is your major enemy. To counter premium decay, buy and sell at cheapest in the money or on regular interval, which is your best friend. So take advantage of your friend and keep ready and implement a ready-made and tailor-made strategy and plan to protect yourself from your enemy. That is a premium decay in buying side. But on the selling side, your best friend is premium decay. So take the benefit of premium decay in selling. Grow like seeds to tree, and our seed is our seeds equal to starting point to think, make plan, strategy, and implement equal to minimum price in the money at one side, and after getting benefit in one side, then only cheap in the money in outside in option buying. For take complete information of law, rule, notification, etc. by study and experience. Take complete information of law, rule, notification, etc. by study and experience. Otherwise, our and our family's capital and life will be finished, as we made a mistake on September 28, 2023 by selling our position after 3:15 p.m. on expiry, and all traded amount and profit got zero. Our amount was reduced from rest 1 lakh to 45,000 without any loss on September 28, 2023 after 3:30 p.m. and after finishing my all trade, my cash was showing rest 86,335.59, and my day loss was showing rest 7,888. But today my part of profit was not included in my total case, and it got reduced to rest 45,422. In option trading, all the plans have their weakness, so we must be knowing and discussing the strength and weakness of our plan before starting trading, and defense mechanism to protect ourselves from those weaknesses. Every day the market environment get changed, and the market also changes its behavior and movement as per the data, global environment, and option change. We must have a different ready-made and tailor-made plans and strategies for different types of market environment and momentum in advance. With their weakness and strength, we need to adopt different plan and strategy for different types of market trend. Points places for biggest losses. One, we could not identify the right minutes, hour, days, weeks, months, years trend of the market and traded against the trend. 2, we could not use stop loss. 3, we could not learn how to book loss. 4, we could not learn how to book profit. 5, we could not we buy, call, or put at the money or out of the money slowly, or on the day of expiry rapidly become zero. 6, when the market gives a big reversal. 7, when the market gives a big momentum towards upside or downside. 8, when we did not keep hedge quantity or removed hedge quantity. Points places of biggest profit. 1, first profit we book with call hedge quantity. 2, we bought 2200 put quantities in downtrend. 3, after opening European market in green, trend change to the upside, we bought 400 quantities of put. 4, we bought 400 quantities of call. For book profits several times when we kept both call and put and bought at down and sold at high, both call and put. If we would have adopted an appropriate plan and strategy for different types of market movement, then most of the losses were covered into profits. So be very careful and vigilant to adopt different types of plan and strategy for different types of market. Never adopt only one type of strategy for all types of market movement. One today profit was 32,000, but holding was 1,000, put at 800, call due to premium decay, profit remains only with 10,000. Two, start with 50 calls and 50 puts and increase the quantity with profit only. Increase and decrease quantity as per given table. Three, after crossing 12,000 profit, stop loss will be 10,000 profit, then new strike will start. For start a new strike after booking 10,000 profit or 2,000 losses, it means 2,000 losses is stop losses and 10,000 profits is the first target. 5, keep only one strike price of put or call active. If needed, one strike price of both call and put may be kept. If we keep more than one or two strike price, then rapid premium decay will start. 6, this plan is for a fast moving market with at the money or nearest out of the money. Normally all plans will be applicable. Follow the most important information given by all YouTubers and experts, which we are not following. Never buy both call and put at one time, because on September 20 and 21 we made a profit of 1 lakh input, but at the same time we took a loss of more than 1 lakh in call. So never buy both calls and puts together. During Hero Zero and other trades, on one side was profit and on the other side was a big loss, and the loss was continuously increasing due to premium decay. Ultimately we took a big loss and could not take advantage of the available opportunity. We have taken lakhs of losses due to premium decay, and by buying calls and puts together for the overnight position, we must hedge in double and half sequence. Never buy more than 50 points in the money without hedge or plan, because due to this mistake we took a loss of 2,50,000 one time and 1 lakh another time. We can start with one lot and sell it at support and resistance. From there we can buy it again. We can go for reversal or continuation after checking all data, sentiments, news, advice, YouTube, Telegram, etc. Follow the most important information given by all YouTubers and experts, which we were not following. Decide to take trade after checking all data, sentiments, news, advice, YouTube, Telegram, etc. and having an evening and morning discussion with all Rainbow family members regarding whether we buy call or put, but keep it in mind stop loss and target, and buy only one call or put in one time. Seed for option seller is one. Buy call and put both with no premium, and sell call and put both with maximum premium. Limitation: it is beneficial only in stable and range bound market. As much range bound market, that much premium is available at the money or out of the money strike price. Defense mechanism or risk management: change your strike price as per market momentum to minimize your profit, to maximize your profit. And be very careful and vigilant on market momentum, and be quick to change strike price to market to make profit. Seeds have the lowest cost and the least amount of loss, because on the day we lost everything. Nifty in the money call and put both were available for race 1. The biggest error occurred when we bought call and put both at a strike price between race 1 and 25. The difference in price between the call and put would always be race 50. The nearest in the money Nifty was available at 1 rupees, but it would become 0 until the evening. We'd won't ever experience a loss if you keep buying cheap and selling high. This is our seed plan. In the money, strike price can be purchased on one side, and if there is a profit margin of fresh 25 to 50, then buy call or put other side. In order to increase our capacity and risk management limit, this would be seed for option buying and buying in order to create a tree with the least amount of cost and loss and the greatest amount of profit. So on the day of finishing our all money, our biggest mistake was we bought call and put at same strike price. Biggest solution is that there must be difference of one side and other side strike price raise 50. In case we will be either in one side profit or in both side profit. 6. Never start trading if you have not completed the following work. Never start trading if you have not completed the following work. Follow the timetable, all housework, take your morning food. You are fit, not ill. You have to remind everyone about the planned videos. You have checked all the data and know the market trends. Never buy more than the quantity listed if you are at a loss. Strength of option buying would be profitable on any side market movement. If the market moves upside, then profit would be in call buy, and if the market moves downside, then profit would be in put buy. If you buy call and put both with no premium, which is available at high price, then in stable market there would be no loss. In a up market there would be less loss in put or more profit in call due to increase of premium in put. In down market there would be less loss in call and more profit in put due to increase of premium in call. Strength for option selling and weakness. In stable market and range bound market, option selling is profitable. If we sell option out of the money, both call and put, then in stable market, range bound market, there would be a profit on both side. But if in big momentum in any side will lead to big loss. In this trade, be very careful and exit from a trade immediately. In big momentum any side, go for options buying. We have lost our 99% money due to trade without hedging, or we have removed our hedge. If we have bought one call or put in the money, after some time bought call or put on other side with 50 points difference, and counter the premium decay by continuously buying or selling both side at cheap price, then most of the time we were in profit. So you must know due to which region you were continuously getting profit, and why you got loss, and why you are getting loss continuously. So now we know why we lost all our money, why why we were getting profit continuously and why we were in loss continuously. Now we will not start as option buyer. Now we are mainly option seller and buy the option occasionally and with profit only. A wrong trade stop in the beginning only, but uh, otherwise, as you know your weakness, you will not be able to exit from wrong trade later and finish with big losses. If you don't want to be loser, so never start with wrong trade. Exit from a trade immediately when you know that you have taken a wrong trade. My biggest weakness is when I take a wrong trade or reach and keep wrong trade. At that I could not exit and finished with very big losses. This was the end of my all money included rest 20,000 taken from Mr. Manik. 99% money I lose in out of the money risk strike price trade. So never trade in out of the money strike price. Whenever strike price become out of the money, then sell the trade immediately. And also 99% I lost in recovering of loss. So never try to recover losses. Always try to start fresh. Avoid buy today, sell tomorrow. BTST trade every day, start fresh and close in the evening. Most favorable time to trade is after 1 p.m. or before opening of European market. Because become become advance and presume and discuss in advance the expiry strike price, operators FIDI moves, global market opening and closing. We lost our all money by taking unplanned trade. Stop yourself from unplanned trade and otherwise you will lose everything and you will finish yourself and your family. Give first a priority and do everything to stop yourself from unplanned trade. As today I bought 1000 quantity at rest 19 in 19 price by taking by thinking that the price will not go down, but it's reached to rest 0.50. Sell call at top and put at bottom at start of the week and month of expiry. Two lots nearest out of the money. By doing this you will earn a minimum rest 2000 days. First make yourself satisfied with this amount. This is the first step to make yourself satisfied. Discipline because because you are very undisciplined and you lost your all money due to this indiscipline. This amount is more than enough for beginning and stability. Best option is bank nifty because the premium is very high and strike price difference is 100 points. You can start in the middle and operators will not be able to close at strike price because most of the time operators try to finish the expiry at strike price only. Plan your trade accordingly for big profit, but with profit only, not with your capital. 7 trade starts on Friday 10 a.m. and ends on Thursday at 3:10 p.m. There is no excuse for not following rules. One trend not followed of 1 minute, 5 minute, 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3, 6, 12 month. 2. Always increase profit. 3. Never try to recover a loss. 4. In greed, don't lose your savings. 5. We are put option trader. We don't do anything in the up market against the trend. 6. Buy 10 to 30 points earlier to 70 and 30 points. 70 and 30 points would be stop loss in expectation of reversal, because 95% give reversal from 100 points and 80% gives reversal from 50 points in its first attempt. In the second, third and fourth attempts it's become weaker and can break easily. So trade for continuation or reversal accordingly. For big profit, identify big trend and reversal by checking historical data, date and points of reversal. Major region for reversal, important incidents, news with market or become a major region for a reversal of market. A list of all dates and incidents, days and times of effect. We lost our 100% money because we could not identify and capture the right trend, not used a stop loss, not kept or removed our hedge quantity. We traded in the wrong trade without stop loss. Check historical data of how much of your money days, how many days the election etc affect the market. If you follow your plan strictly, there is no chance of loss. You will only have profit. 1. The maximum limit is 25% of available amount in the account. 2. Never do scalping or anything in loss. 3. Start with one lot only. 4. Today we did not follow the stop loss plan and exited at 70 and 30. 5. We did not follow the plan that we had to exit in profit only and take a loss of 1,50,000 to recover a loss of raise 1,90,000. We took loss of 60,000 to recover this amount. We took a loss of 90,000 extra on September 7, 2023. The total loss was 2,50,000. 6. We could have stopped at 35, 30, 25, 20 and 15, but we could not stop at any places and lost rest 1 lakh and rest 50,000. It has been proven that losses starts on Friday at the start of new expiry, because the strike price and premium decay are very high. Monday also starts with previous day of losses. Thursday's expiry day also started with previous losses, and we could not recover from them and faced huge losses. The solution is that start with one call and or put after some time, one put or call with no premium. Stop loss is when it become out of the money. No cheap price or on both sides. On cheap price on both sides. Increase quantity only if it is profitable. Otherwise trade with one lot of call and put only. If this in this way, loss would be limited and profit would be unlimited. 8. Information needs to be checked before starting trading. Hero Zero plan is profitable and with profit only, never with capital. Hero Zero plan in profit and with profit only, never with capital. Buy 1,000 cheap put and call near to expiry and add the money. Decrease the quantity from loss side and increase profit and quantity by scalping in profit side only. But don't forget to put stop loss before doing scalping. Do not increase or decrease the quantity if it is crosses the rate below or above. If you do not Follow stop loss in scalping, so it can give you big loss and stop you to make big profit. If the profit amount is less, then quantity may be decreased, and profit amount is more, then quantity may be increased. Check data before starting trading. Account position and account amount in trading account. European, American and Asian market trend, including global market. Check, analyze and compare Asian market with Nifty 50 to take their trend and momentum, to know their trend and momentum. ADR of major stock like Reliance, TCS, HDFC Bank, etc. Option chain data, Nifty 50 stocks trend, all 12 Nifty index trend, dollar index, crude oil prices, dollar rupees prices, market trend and sentiments, major news, US 10-year bond yield study, and discuss all those factors given in the video who affects markets. We have divided stock market topics in 60 parts, which can be studied and discussed date wise, two topics in one day, by connecting our stock market topic with our school's syllabus topics and UPSC syllabus topics. Things to be check, analyze and discuss with rainbow team members is: first, check which plan is being implemented. Second, the market environment, data of option change and market momentum. then then third, decide and explain the weakness, limitation of implemented plan and strategy. Then fourth, give the best plan and strategy for the present market environment and movement. Instead of increasing your own plan, link it with the best option selling strategy. Now start with best option selling strategies. The most important thing to know is different plan and different strategy for different types of market movement. Presuming, analyzing, making plans, implementing plans, working on strength and weakness continuously. Finally, suggestion and discussion. If the market is not moving in or moving in a very small range, then sell the option, both call and put, at the money or out of the money. If the market is in range box or for a very long time, when it's break the range box, then the market gives a big momentum. But be careful, this can be false fake breakout, and the market can give you very sharp and big reversal. 9, the first thing to do is identify the market trend as per the data and information. The maximum 2000 losses are stop losses, and at any cost or in any circumstances. So start changing the strike price at 250 loss only, so that we cannot change at a maximum, cannot reach to a maximum limit of 2000 stop loss. The first thing to do is identify the market trend as per the data and information, and then decide to trade with either call or put or both side as per the given trend. Serial number, market normal, top resistance, bottom support. 1, very bullish call, 0 put, 0 call. 2, bullish call with less put for hedging. Sell 1 call at the money or nearest out of the money. Change the strike price when it become in the money. Sell 1 put at the money or nearest out of the money. Change the strike price when it become in the money. 3, volatile, both call and put increase quantity as per profit. Buy next put after minimum 2000 losses, keeping in mind risk management and available balance. Buy next call after minimum 2000 losses, keeping in mind the risk management and available balance. For very bearish put, buy next put after minimum 1000 losses, keeping in mind risk management and available balance. Buy next call after a minimum 1000 losses, keeping in mind risk management and available balance. 5 bearish put with less call or hedging. Buy next put after a minimum 500 losses, keeping in mind risk management and available balance. Buy next call after a minimum 500 losses, keeping in mind risk management and available balance. The best option is keep only call or put in the trading side with stop loss, but sometime in volatile market stop loss hits both sides, so we need to buy both call and put turn by turn whenever it's available at cheap price only. Always buy either call or put in one time. Never buy call and put together. When the call is available at cheap price, then buy a call. If after some time put is available at cheap price, then buy put also, but keep it in mind that profit must be increasing. If it is decreasing, then reduce the quantity as soon as possible. Always keep 50 points in the money by changing a strike price and book profit or loss. Keep one lot of one strike price. If it is in loss of more than 250 or 500 or 1000, change the strike price on the same side. 10. Market range is decided mainly by option data. Market range is decided mainly by option data. In option data in once is one-sided. If option data is one-sided, the volatility range can be increased if call seller are more than put seller. Buy put from up. If the put seller is more than call seller, then buy a call from bottom. The way the market moves today demonstrated how completely the operators and the large traders control the market. Although the market was declining today, the operators wanted in the morning to close it at 19,800, so they managed to manage the market to move only 10 to 20 points up or down, and the market closed at 19,800 only. We need to protect the type of market in which the operator has scheduled the closure based on the data or from option change, call and put transactions. Market make appropriate trade planning. Yesterday and today we executed our our quantity without prior planning, which led to a large losses or both on both. They recall that in the rapidly moving market, if you are increasing volumes after booking profit, the strike price shouldn't be greater than 20, and on expiry day and not more than 6. The market types and closure on the based on option change data, the market trend and strength. The market types and closure on the based on option change data and market trend and strength. 1. At the strike price. 2. A reduced market close. 3. The market closed higher. 4. After an up or downside movement, the market makes a significant reversal. 5. The market moves in 3 range: large, medium and small. 6. Market will opens upside to go up, go down. 7. Market will open down to go up. 8. Market move up or down. Market close at strike price or upper or downside. 9 market move up or down, then give a large, medium and a small bounce back, then continue the move. Keep the quantity in control all the time. Minimum quantity at both at bottom or maximum quantity at the top as per plan, because whenever we lose our control and increase quantity without plan, we faced huge losses. So never lose your control either in slow, medium or fast moving market, or in big, medium or small profit and loss. Buy in the money strike price near rest 20 in fast moving market, so that your profit can be unlimited, and in case of loss it's limited to rest 20 only, because we were in rest 25,000 profit and booked some profit and bought some extra quantity at a small price. Then market has given a very strong reversal and we face losses of 21,000 same day, and rest 50,000 losses at next day. So never increase quantity without plan and strategy in case of worst result. So always keep it in mind that worst side of trade, and keep a plan and strategy ready to protect yourself. The quantity bought at less than 20 will be separate from from one quantity bought at race 120 as per plan. Keep in mind that quantity bought at race 20 has more chances to become zero. In increased quantity there is more chances to loss, and in increased quantity there is more chances to loss. And in Hero Zero plan all the time we faced huge losses in very small time. So all the time keep in control and not increase quantity without plan. Always keep in mind that the worst side of your trade result, and your surviving strategy before taking any decision to trade. All the time start fresh. If you try to recover your previous losses, you will lose your all money. We purchased calls and puts today, and our combined loss was steadily rising. At times the calls were profitable while the puts were not, so we were not selling. If things continue this way, sell the profitable part first, then sell the other side as it starts to make profit or near to recover loss. 11, our main plan and Hero Zero plan to become experts. Main plan: do very hard work to identify the right trend. If the market is falling, keep the given put. If the market is rising, buy the call for hedging and scalping. If the market is in range, scalp with both call and put. Be careful and prepared for the big momentum on one side by keeping the quantity of the trend side only. A practice is needed to become experts in this setup. By using this setup, we can earn our livelihood daily and also get a huge profit when opportunities are available. But we take a risk only on profit, never take a risk on loss or capital. At the top, start with only one put and keep increasing one put after each raise 1000 losses. After reaching to first target level, buy one call and keep increasing one call after each raise 1000 loss, and keep increasing one call after each raise 1000 losses. After reaching to second target level, sell one put after increasing 1000 profit. At the bottom, call may be used at the place of put. Some changes can be made as per market momentum. Because on September 22, 2023, we made profit of raise 25,000 at put, but between 2:30 and 3:30 our raise 25,000 profit converted into 6,000 loss. If we could not have started buying calls as per the above plan and increase the quantity of profit only, we could have increased our profit or saved some of the profit. After comparison between Nifty Mid Cap, Nifty Financial Services, Nifty Bank and Nifty 50, considered starting to buy one call from the most down index and one put from the most up index. Per As per the above plan, keep patience when the market moves very slow or not moves or moves very rapidly against our trade, as its move 2500 2500 points. Wait until the market moves as per your plan. If the market moves against your trade, it means you fail to identify or predict right trend. So do hard work on it. Strong psychology: never divert from selling, otherwise the opportunity will be missed. Most positive thing is option buying, is that if you buy with no premium, then if the market moves 100 points, the profit will be raised 100. But if the market moves 100 points against the trade, you will have only rest 50 losses. Take advantage of this golden point on September 29 November 2023. In loss, we kept so many strike prices and tried to average to cover losses, but we could not cover losses and took a loss of 82,884. So how to book losses? Start with only one strike price near 100 points away from the index points. Try to average and cover the losses. When it's become out of the money, then exit from trade at once and then change the strike price. First make a profit from option selling. Take a risk on that profit only for option buying or hero zero plan. Increase quantity in profit only. How to take profit? Book profit from upper strike price and buy lower strike price with some extra quantity, but be very careful. If it comes to loss, first sell all and keep only one lot. If we will not bring to one lot, then our all profit becomes a big loss after reversal. As 90% times our biggest profit converted into big losses several times after reversal, and we have lost our 90% of our money because of this mistake. In this case, we have two options. We remain very careful and either we keep only one lot or we keep in the money quantity on an amount which is allowed or bearable if it's become zero. 12 price and quantity table for the hero zero plan. Hero zero plan, profit plan, price loss plan: 1000, 10, 500, 900, 15, 450, 820, 400, 725, 350, 600, 30, 300, 500, 35, 250, 400, 40, 200, 345, 150, 250, 100, 155, 50. 12 price and quantity table for the hero zero plan. Hero zero plan: start hero zero by buy, keep and increase in the money from rest 10 and add the money from rest 5, otherwise we will face a big loss. uh, as we have taken a loss of 90,000, 25,000, 12,000, 6,000 and 3,000 in a very small time, several times. Try to make the average price less than zero or minimum. Otherwise, whatever amount you use for hero zero trade will become zero or minimum. Most of the time the index moves 10 to 20 points up and down at one main strike price, because due to at the strike price several times our money becomes zero. So buy 50 points in the money. If there is a very high chance to move the index up or down, then only buy at the money. Increase the 50 points in the money quantity after 1 p.m. To cover losses as much as possible. A table of losses is given below to cover losses or book losses by keeping different index or strike prices at a good level and premium. Increase quantity for a book big and unlimited profit in profit only. Today we took more than 2000 losses and made a big losses in previous day to trade. Today also we traded in losses and could not exit after 2000 losses. So follow the plan. Never trade in losses and exit when trades hit 2000 losses. Price and quantity are given in the table for the Hero Zero plan. In Hero Zero, always buy on dip and sell on high. On the day of expiry, input and put and call. Call was 30 points undervalued and put was 30 points overvalued. Always trade with undervalued asset and book profit from time to time. Due to this problem, we faced a loss of 25,000 on September 21, 2023. So always increase quantity as per plan and with profit only. Today biggest mistake was that we bought 200 calls at 70, but the price was moving near 35 and 40. Our plan was to decrease the price in Hero Zero plan, not increase it, which we could not recover. The most powerful and cheapest plan. The most favorite time for option buying is after 1 p.m. and before starting European market on the day of expiry, to start with one call and one put. Increase quantity by buying at a cheap price and decrease the price or bring the price in minus, or increase quantity in profit only. Keep in mind how to avoid the above given worst situation. One answer may be try to bring the price down. Buy and sell at regular interval to avoid premium decay. Always buy no premium strike price in Hero Zero. How to start? On the day of expiry after 1 p.m. or before starting European market, buy one call and after some time one put to increase quantity by buying at a cheap price and decrease the price or increase quantity in profit only. Keep in mind how to avoid above given worst situation. One answer may be try to bring price in minus, buy and sell on regular intervals to avoid premium decay. Made mistakes several times and worst situation in this plan to protect to must avoid or save yourself. Bought Nifty 1000 P and C both at 19,800 strike price on day of expiry in on November 23, 2023. Market moves 10 points up and down both sides, finally close at 19,800. We face loss of 50,000. Follow the plan with 50 points in the money, no premium strike price. In the money, no premium strike price. 13. Decide strike price and the price and quantity table to keep call or put. Decide strike price and the price and quantity table to keep call or put. Quantity table: start buying with one call from support or one put from resistance. Never buy a call or put together. If you want to buy a call, first sell all put. If you want to buy put, first sell all the calls. Otherwise you will face huge loss due to premium decay. The quantity table starts from approximately 100 points plus for put, approximately 100 points minus for call. 14. Always the best strike price to enter the trade is 50 points in the money and hero zero plan. 1. Always the best strike price to enter the trade is 50 points in the money because from here the profit amount increases equally but loss amount does not. So keep changing the strike price after each 50 points on both the call and put sides. 2. For taking advantage of one-sided market, keep buying at a small price in the money, increase quantity as profit increases and scalp profit whenever it's get opportunity. 3. Never trade in loss. Start with one call. If you want to increase quantity on the loss side, you can buy one lot at another strike price and continue the same, but never trade on loss side. It means we can buy one lot after 50 points on the loss side. 4. After 1 p.m. premium decay stops because premium decay has already been added, especially on the day of expiry. 5. Option seller stops trading after 2:30 p.m. on the day of expiry and buyers of the options get active. 6. Hero zero timing is between 1 to 30 and 3:15. Price between 10 to 40. You finish your trade at 3:50. 7. Hero zero plan starts below raise 50 points in the money with one lot towards trend near 100 points, which is support or resistance to violate the and volatility points, resistance and volatility points. Most of the time or in slow range bond market, hero zero plan is not beneficial for option buyers. Only sometime it is very beneficial for option buyers in fast moving overbought or sold markets, or mostly on the day of monthly expiry. Identify which market is not very beneficial and which market is very beneficial. Hero zero plan is not beneficial. 90% chance is to lose your money for option buyer, and only 5% chance has for big profit. 8. If we plan both call and put of no premium, there must be success on one side after following all the plans. 9. After 3:15 on the day of expiry, settlement starts, so new traders cannot take advantage of profit at that time, and out of the money at buy time becomes zero, but in the money previous trader take advantage. 10. If there is more chance for bigger momentum due to bigger news or any region, then buy call and put both big and same quantities to buy today or sell tomorrow, BTST trade or anytime trade. Whenever there is chance for big momentum, follow the same. 15. Simple process to start buy and keep only one lot in loss, increase quantity in profit only. Option selling: buy Nifty one call put out of the money 10% premium at 7, sell one call, put at the money or nearest out of the money 100% premium at near 70, to close first buy call and sell then sell call, increase quantity in profit only, and change the strike price when it's become in the money, or repeat the same process after a minimum loss of 2000, keeping in mind risk management and available balance. 1, buy one lot call at bottom, or one lot put at support at a price near res 120 by following all rules. 2, the stop loss is res 80, so whenever it comes near res 80, first sell and then buy one upper strike price near res 120 by following all the rules. 3, never buy and keep more than one lot at a loss. 4, increase the quantity of profit by selling one lot at the upper strike price and then buying two lot at the lower strike price. 5, buy whichever expiry is near and one lot is available at low price. Day of expiry: Monday Nifty Midcap, Tuesday Nifty Fin Nifty, Wednesday Nifty Bank, Monday and monthly and quarterly contracts of the banking index will continue to expire on Thursday. Thursday Nifty 50, Friday BSE Sensex 30 and BankX option selling at the top in bearish market. 1, buy Nifty one call out of the money at 10% premium at near 7, sell one call at the money or nearest out of the money 100% premium at res 70, to close first buy call then sell call, increase quantity in profit only, and change the strike price when it's become in the money, or repeat the same process after a minimum loss of 2000, keeping in mind the risk management and available balance. 2, buy Nifty one call at near 25 out of the money, sell one call at the money or nearest out of the money at 70, to close first buy call then sell call, increase quantity in profit only, change the strike price when it becomes in the money, or repeat the same process after a minimum loss of 2000, keeping in mind the risk management and available balance. At the bottom of bullish market, repeat the process, but call become put and put become call. The near monthly expiry market may show big momentum in one direction, so try to take advantage of this momentum as per option chain data and market trends. As per option chain data, the Hero Zero plan will start on the day of expiry after 1 p.m. at a price between 1 and 10. Maximum losses of res 1000 because the two times price has gone from 1 to 9, and the 5 time price has gone from 5 to 20, but without gap. Buy without gap nearest day of expiry after comparison between Nifty Midcap. Select Nifty Financial Services, Nifty Bank, Nifty 50 after 1 p.m. After checking all data, because from here premium decay remain unchanged, and keep only one strike price and change the strike price only after 50 points change. Save yourself from premium decay by buying on the regular interval after 1 p.m. or on the near expiry day. Never buy near the start of expiry or in the morning, because during this period premiums and decays are very high. 16. Stop loss rules to decide and modify hour, day, week, month stop loss and target support or resistance points. Rainbow team life is discipline, else death. In the money hourly momentum towards global market chart trend, support resistance, target stop loss plan. Stop loss rule 1, never buy call and put together. Buy one lot 50 points in the money, call in green or put in red from support or resistance, increase quantity in profit only. 1, try to make your entry difficult so that you can exit your trade easily. 2, decide exit before entry. 3, strategy limit at any point of time, do not try to execute 2-3 strategies. 4, manage your funds wisely. 5, do not trade with borrowed fund. 6, don't overtrade. 7, follow strict stop loss and target levels. 8, never panic. 9, be patient. 10, stay updated. 11, don't buy deep out of the money OTM option just because it is cheap. 12, time works against the buyer of the option and in favor of the seller of option, hence closer to expiry it is not very good idea to buy options. 13, volatility is one of the essential factors to determine the value of an option, so it is generally advised to buy option when market volatility is expected to increase and sell option when volatility is expected to decrease. 14, ahead of major events or key geopolitical risk, it is always better to be on the buy option rather than sell option. 15, keep booking profit at regular intervals or just keep a trailing stop loss of profit. 15, keep booking profit at regular intervals or just keep a trailing stop loss of profit. 16, never hold positions overnight without plan, because I lost 3 lakh due to premium decay, especially on 25 July 23 when I was holding 650 calls and added 300 calls. US market was positive, market was going up slowly, but premium was going down due to volatility, index was going down. I cut my position 100 points down in fear of going more down. I face huge losses due to this trade. Market recover and close flat. Next day market gone up because volatility index was down and US market was positive, but I could not trade and miss the golden opportunity. 17, calculate option premium of for strike price of call and put from at the money. Buy one lot of call at bottom or one lot of put at high and add one lot after each 50 points. 18, combination of profit loss out of the money, at the money, in the money trade to recover losses of each trade one by one with hedged trade of 100 points out of the money. 19, keep buying 100 quantities after changing 10 points and 1 minute red candle. Always keep 500 quantities of 100 points in the money. Increase quantity for trading if the environment is favorable and momentum is as per plan. Keep buying 100 quantities after changing 10 points and 1 minute red candles. Always keep 500 quantities of 100 points in the money. Increase quantity for trading if increase quantity for trading if the environment is favorable and momentum is as per plan. 17, maximum 2000 losses are stop losses and 10,000 profits are the first targets. 20, scalping strategy, start buying 100 points in the money, put at least 5 days earlier of the expiry 10 points near to resistance in the morning on the high, and take out extra quantity after covering loss in daytimes as soon as possible. 10 points near to support. 21. Always keep 100 points in the money put by shifting position as per momentum, and take advantage of premium decay if Nifty moves upside. 22. Chant market mantra and read this plan several times during the market to know which plan is not being followed. 23. Most important rule: keep shifting your trade near to ATM and book loss from a trade whichever is which is not near to ATM. Shift the next expiry after expiry. 24. Hero Zero strategy works with a small price near at the money and expiry. 25. Benefit 1. Money cannot become zero if it's not an expiry day, but your amount can be raised as much as opportunity. 26. On 19th July 2023, Nifty 19,650 price two times comes from raise 14 to 20, but could not sell at 20, and it's close to raise 7. 27. So it can be trade as we were doing in HDFC Bank, RBL Bank and Yes Bank, buy in deep and sell on high. 28. Biggest mistake of the day was not hedging at 2:30 p.m. and 3:20 p.m. And 9:15 a.m. 29. Second, I could not buy or sell a cheap put or call when the market was given an opportunity. 30. Bull call spread, bull put spread, bear call spread, bear put spread to start learning and practicing hedging. 31. Trend changes with weekly candle colors. Market become volatile when candle color change. First reversal always gives bounce back by the waiting trader. Time to buy and sell between 2:30 p.m. and 10 a.m. to avoid premium decay. Always trade towards trend. 32. Four types of market: 1 up, plan 1; 2 down, plan 2; 3 outbreak and volatile, plan 3; 4 range bound, avoid trade. First change plan 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 to 3 and 3 to 1 and 2. 33. Always keep at the money and out of the money for hedging opposite side of the trade only, but I face raise 60,000 loss by losing all hedge amount. 34. So sell out of the money trade, book loss on the same day, buy the same quantity or only some extra share of at the money. Due to this mistake, I face loss of 1 lakh. 35. If you keep a big quantity, then hedge with 100 to 200 points out of the money. Buy in the evening and sell in the morning after momentum to avoid premium decay. In case of profit, the minimum stop loss is given. In case of profit, following would be minimum stop loss. Profit stop loss: 2,000, 200, 5,000, 2,000, 10,000, 5,000, 15,000, 10,000, and so on. If we have kept call or put for protection or hedging, then increase the quantity with profit only. If market is going in one direction, then the strike price of that direction is available at very high rate, but strike price of opposite direction is available at cheap price, which can be buy for for protection, and when direction gets changed, the cheap become costly, and in by increasing or decreasing a premium edge at the same time, and call is available at less than premium, and put is available at more than premium, must book profit time to time as per support or resistance from where we can buy it again if market moves forward or backwards side. Patience is very important for stock market and option trading. We can keep patience only if we have less quantity and we are in profit. For Hero Zero Plan, best time is near 3 p.m. Best place is near 100 points. Point second best place is near 50 points. Best environment is global market is favorable, and cross common stop loss place if share is under the protection of any share and is showing a profit in total profit and loss, then we can keep it. How to trade with the trend. Trade with the trend. How to trade with the trend. If the market crosses the all time high or any high in normal momentum in the daytime, not at the opening or closing time, when buy one lot call, keep 50 points down from previous immediate all time high, stop loss. Increase the quantity as per plan and in profit only. If the market starts making making minutes, hours, day, week, month red candle, then it's initial some small, medium, large sign of either a retracement or reversal. I did identify it is retracement or reversal. Keep 50 point up for all time high, stop loss. Increase the quantity as per plan and in the profit only. How to trade with the trend. If the market crosses all time high or any high in normal movement in the daytime, not at an opening or closing time, then buy one lot call, keep 50 points down from previous immediate all time high, stop loss. Increase the quantity as per plan and in profit only. If the market starts making minutes, hour, day, week, month red candle, then it's initial some small, medium, large sign of either retracement or reversal. Identify it is retracement or reversal. Keep 50 points up from all time high, stop loss. Increase the quantity as per plan and in profit only. Retracement generally lasts for a short term, typically for no longer than 1 to 2 weeks, whereas reversal can last for long term, including more than a few weeks. In retracement from up, buy call in deep and sell call with no premium on high. In reversal from up, buy call from up and sell put at down. In retracement from down, buy put from up and sell same put at down. In a reversal from down, buy call from down and sell high. Reversal can last for fortnights, months and years. 7 types of trading a day. Which types of market which strategy to adopt to trade. Identify the market moved according to which number market types. 1. Market moves very fast against your trade in one direction only. This is a sign of very strong market. Mistake, we could identify the right trend. We could not identify the right trend and momentum, so do very hard work to identify right trend. Solution: use stop loss. Keep only one lot. Don't trade, but watch the market. Trade in trend direction with stop loss. 2. Market moves very fast against your trend in one direction, but moves one or two times or several times in the other direction also. This is a sign of very strong market on one side, but there is an initial sign of trend reversal. Mistake, we could not identify the right trend and momentum, so do very hard work to identify right trend. Solution: use stop loss. Keep only one lot. Don't trade, but which the market watch the market but watch the market. Take trade in trade direction, but keep some quantity of other direction also. 3. Markets moves up and down, but close against our trend. This is a sign of very strong market on one side, but there is some sign of trend reversal. Mistake, could identify we could not identify the right trend and momentum, so do very hard work to identify a right trend. Solution: use stop loss. Keep only one lot. Don't trade, but watch the market. uh, take take trade in a trend direction, but keep half quantity. Double and half sequence in another direction also. 4. Market moves very slowly, 10 points up and down, but closing closing flat. This is the first sign of retracement or reversal. Slowly your loss is increasing. In these circumstances, keep both call and put. You will get at least 50 points movement in the morning or evening or any time. Take advantage of that opportunity and take your today's that day profit. Mistake, we could not identify the right trend and momentum, so do very hard work to identify right trend. Solution: use stop loss. Keep only one lot. Don't trade, but watch the market. Take a trade in trend direction, but keep half quantity. Double and half sequence in another direction also. 5, 6, 7. The market moves towards your trade in 5 fast, 6 medium, or 7 slow speed. Then trading keep trading as per your plan. 19. If quantity increase, call side, put side, or both side without profit and without plan, then reduce the quantity to one lot. Start with 50 puts and 50 calls. Increase quantity only on the profit side. Whenever strike price comes in below profit, exit from all holding except one lot. Before profits comes in below 2000, increase the quantity again if it's make a profit. If quantity increase, call side, put side, or both side without profit and without plan, then reduce the quantity to one lot. Yesterday market was for scalping because it was moving more than 30 points up and down, but we were adding stop loss which was hitting it again and again. Today call did not hit stop loss single time, as the market was in trend and not jumping too high or low, but we were averaging or hedging and faced huge losses. We made a hero zero plan with a put, but we did not make a hero zero plan with call and faced huge losses. Later we corrected our mistake and made a hero zero plan for the call side also, and handle our trade. So we need to make a hero zero plan for both put and call, and 50 points in the money. Whichever side goes into profit, increase quantity on this on that side. The biggest mistake was that we did not make a plan hero zero towards the call side. Hero zero means changing the strike price as per price movement. For example, if we are getting profit on the put side, and we have 20,100 strike price, as market goes down, change the strike price from 20,100 to 20,050, 20,000 to 19,950, and so on. Previously we bought so many strike price in one time and faced huge losses due to premium decay. The same mistake we made today was that in expectation of the market going down, we bought too many strike prices on the put side, but the market moved towards the upside and we faced huge losses. So never buy too many strike at once. Buy only one call and one put strike at a time. Whenever needed, shift from one strike price to the next strike price. Try to square off position at 925, because thereafter rapid premium decay starts. Tomorrow plan. Tomorrow if the market goes down, the hero zero plan will be with put, and if market goes up, the hero zero plan will be with call. Always try to buy cheap and sell at the higher rate. 20. Suggestion given after 1,91,000 loss and all put table to follow. In stock market, 80% of psychology works. Never lose your money. So never trade without a plan. Start Friday at 10 a.m. By taking 50 calls and 50 puts. Book profit and start fresh after crossing 30 to 70 points, and on Thursday at 3:10 p.m. The profit side of call and put would always be bigger than the loss side. By adding or selling, increase profit and quantity from support or resistance. Book profit and loss by keeping double and half. Call and put at least 50 point in the money. Cover loss from profit. The given table is for profit in a down market only, so this must be used when market is going down too. For profit in the up market, put would be the base. Increase the quantity of call as per profit to cover losses and increase profit. 3. Profit in consolidation. Buy and sell call and put at a difference of at rest 5. 4. The put must not be less than the given table, but the call may be 0 to double as per profit and environment. 5. If money is not sufficient, so this plan can be implemented on expiry day. Lakshmi did not listen to her father's instructions, advice and indications, and took decision as honor and above her father. 1. Buy and sell call at a 5 rupees difference, not followed. 2. Keep and increase profit, not followed. 3. We did not follow the plan. 4. Taken decision in greed, so she took a final loss of 1,91,000 on 6 September 2023. 5. We need to follow follow our 5 plants along with all other plants and rules. 6. Lakshmi's fathers Uma, Saraswati and Harsita did not follow the plan and did not cross check whether the plan was followed in trading or not, so they are also responsible for the loss. 7. Stop loss not followed. 8. We did not think about what we would do if the market go up or sideways, but only put without thinking. 21. Improvement suggested after 2,50,000 loss. Start with 50 calls and 50 puts. Never do anything on loss side. Increase profit and quantity by scalping. On the profit side only fresh start and stop loss point would be 70 and 30. Always try to decrease price by scalping, but quantity must be minimum, controllable and below the bearable limit. If we have less money and want a big profit, then the above plan can be implemented in Hero Zero style, keeping in mind the trend of the market. Never do Hero Zero or anything in loss, because we are doing Hero Zero out of the money. We have taken a loss of 1 lakh when we were doing Hero Zero against the trend, and with a huge loss we got a loss of 1 lakh. In this way we face huge losses by violating different rules. So never trade against the trend and plan. Our stop loss is 70 and 30 points. When it's reach near to loss, entry can be minimum 10 points and maximum 30 points. Earlier, for scalping in profit, to remain in profit as much as possible, because before reaching to loss we were exit from we before reaching to loss we will exit from trade. I was never disciplined, due to which I lost my all money, because I never learned how to take loss, and also I could not take loss myself. So you must take loss, and you must learn how to take loss, and you must accept loss from start, and you must treat loss as normal process and hard truth. So you stop option trading if you cannot book loss when your option buying when your option buying call or put become at the money or out of the money. And you also book loss in option selling when your call or put become in the money. You must also learn how to book profit by changing strike price, selling high strike price, or buying in the money low strike price. But always keep in mind that how to lock your profit means whichever profit you are getting, that must not be converted in loss, because several times I was in big profit, but markets given reversal and my big profit converted into big losses. So always be prepared for big reversal. First start with one lot with no premium when it's reached to profit and market is in trend, then buy one lot of next strike price. Keep continuing the same, then buy a big quantity at the small strike price as per loss taking capacity. Take risk on profit only if it goes to loss. Cover loss from previously bought large strike price which is in profit. Plan for big profit. Identify the trend change point at the very plan for big profit. Identify the trend change point. Big plan for profit. Identify the trend change point at the very initial stage in advance, after checking market strength, data, global environment and future events and news. General market may change generally market may change its trend on date 15 towards downside due to overbought. because the market goes down only in compulsion. Normally the market goes up, so most of the time on the first day of monthly expiry or weekly expiry, market opens upside. On the expiry of monthly contract, the whole month, if the market moves upside, then there is more chance the market goes up due to short covering. If the market whole month if the whole month market has moved downside, then there is more possibility to move downside on the day of expiry. On the day of expiry hero zero trade can be taken on this point. Most of the market doesn't change its direction to go down at once. In normal circumstances, first it's give an hourly candle closure in red, then day, week, month candle closure in red, then it is in its indication or trend reversal towards downside. But anytime the market cannot go up or down due to the environment or news, but anytime the market can go up and down due to environment and news. Anytime market can go up and down due to market, environment and news. Most of the time market remains in positive moves in normal circumstances. That is why the most of the time the premium of the call remains high. Most of the time market opens in high and goes towards downside. 22 5 main points given by 5 rainbow team members. There will be different entry for continuation and different entry for reversal. If it goes to 50 or 100 for the first time, there is 95% chance for reversal, and if it goes to 50 to 100 for the second, third or fourth time, then then we can plan for continuation trade as it is showing its power. 50 points in the money is the best option for entry. 50 with 50 calls and 50 puts, profit would be greater and loss would be less in this sequence. Entry as per market trend, support and resistance. This is one line. Entry as per market trend, support or resistance. Next line, entry with 50 calls and 50 puts increase the quantity of profit between double and half. Never give a gap in trade, because during that period we may miss the big opportunity, and then for taking advantage of the missed opportunity we can face huge losses, as we have taken a loss of 35,000 on September 14, 2023. Thank you for watching this video. It is a request to watch this video daily.